18 chapters in your syllabus, in which 9 chapters in the first term and the remaining chapters, 9 chapters in the second term. Students, all the chapters are really interesting and exciting and you will enjoy learning. So let us see the chapters and the related topics.
So students, these are the chapter. The first chapter, that is crop production and management. Second chapter, that is microorganisms, friend and foe. Chapter third, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. Chapter 4, that is material, metals and non-metals. Chapter 5, that is coal and petroleum. Chapter 6, that is combustion and flame. Chapter 7, conservation of plants and animals. Chapter 8, cell structure and functions. Chapter 9, reproduction in animals. Chapter 10, reaching the age of adolescence. Then chapter 11, that is force and pressure. Chapter 12, that is friction. Chapter 13, that is sound. Then the chapter 14, chemical effects of electric current. Chapter 5, some natural phenomena. Chapter 16, that is light. Chapter 17, that is stars and the solar system. And chapter 18, that is pollution of air and water. So these are the 18 total chapters in your science syllabus. But in first term, we are going to take the 9 chapters. So let us study that subtopics of the 9 chapters. Students, let us discuss the subtopics in a particular chapter. So the first chapter is crop production and management. And the subtopics in these are, we are going to study about agriculture practices, some basic practices of crop production, preparation of soil, sowing, adding manures and fertilizer and irrigation, protection from weeds, harvesting and the storage of food. So these are the subtopics. Then in chapter number 2, that is microorganisms, friend and foe. So microorganisms, which are those microorganisms, where do they live? Then microorganisms and us. Then which are the harmful microorganisms? Food preservation, nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle. Then the third chapter, that is synthetic fibers and plastic. In this, the subtopics are, what are synthetic fibers? Which are the types of synthetic fibers? Then what are the characteristics of synthetic fibers? Plastics as materials of choice and plastics and the environment. Then comes chapter number 4, that is metals and non-metals. In this, the physical properties and chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Then the uses of metals and non-metals. Then comes chapter number 5, that is coal and petroleum. In this, the subtopics we are going to study that are coal, petroleum, natural gas, some natural resources which are limited. Then the chapter number 6, that is combustion and flame. In this, the subtopics are, what is combustion, how do we control fire, then the types of combustion, flame, structure of flame, what is fuel and fuel efficiency. Then chapter number 7, that is conservation of plants and animals. In this, the subtopics are deforestation and its causes, consequences of deforestation, conservation of forest life and wildlife, biosphere reserve, flora and fauna, endemic species, wildlife sanctuary, natural park, red data book, migration, recycling of paper and reforestation. So these are the topics we are going to cover in this chapter. Then chapter number 8, that is cell structure and functions. Then in this, the subtopics we are going to study, that is discovery of the cell organism, show variety in cell number, shape and size. Then the structure of cell and its function. Then the parts of the cell membrane, comparison of plant and animal cell. Then the last chapter, that is chapter number 9, reproduction in animals. In this, the subtopics are modes of reproduction, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. So these are the 9 chapters which we are going to cover in the first term and the subtopics which we are going to cover in this chapter.